So, this is the very first prototype of Ergo. We picked it up on the way to the airport. We've still got a fair bit of work to do on it, but it'll be available sometime in April. And the logic of it is that we can strap like a backpack to an operator, make it real comfortable for him, and then this here is the Ergo muscle. So the pole is sitting, if you look at that banner you can get a good idea of it. The pole is sitting in the strap here, and there's a spring unit in here. This becomes the muscle in there. Oop, thanks. So that's the muscle there. And so as you're working with the pole, that actually transfers the weight of the pole straight back. We're pretty excited about that, where we can make weightless water fit. Got a few more products up our sleeve that we're not telling anybody about yet, so we're looking forward to 2018.